Today let's talk about using the UB10 or UB50 large sensor box cameras with the cinematic image quality paired with the Robyhead D2, a smooth, silent robotic head specifically designed for these cameras. Together they can create a unique large sensor PTZ lineup for your concert productions. After setting up the camera and D2 like I showed you in the previous video, it's now time to shoot. Immerse your audience in a smooth cinematic and unique video experience when filming a concert. With the UB10 or UB50 on the Robyhead D2, you still work like you would do with our other PTZs, controlled with our remote panels and shade with our paint panels. But having the opportunity to combine the camera and D2 with our Panapod and Panatrack to move around the drum kit or behind a classical orchestra will extend your possibilities to create a unique look with a shallow depth of field, keeping the singer or instrument in focus. This adds more value to an otherwise static production, but is still all controlled by one remote panel. You can also rotate the camera 90 degrees and mount it vertically and output it directly on a vertical screen for full figure shooting, ideal for following the singer on the stage. The ease of use, modification to fit any need, and great production value are all valid reasons to check out the UB10 and UB50 together with the Robyhead D2. Mount it, power it, control it. Who is your favorite band? Let's hear it in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.